Hello, today we will guide you through how to add PDF in Linktree. If you want to share a downloadable document, brochure, guide, or any other PDF directly from your Linktree, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll move from the Linktree admin area to uploading your file so it can be added to your page. Start by going to your Linktree admin dashboard. This is where you manage the links and content that appear on your Linktree page. Once you're there, look for the Add button and click it to begin creating a new item. After that, enter PDF in the search or input area. This helps Linktree bring up the correct content type for what you want to add. When the PDF option appears, click on PDF Display. This tells Linktree that instead of adding a regular web link, you want to create a link that shows and shares a PDF file. Next, scroll down a little until you see another Add button and click it. This confirms that you want to continue with the PDF Display option. At this stage, you're moving into the file upload part of the setup. Now click Upload PDF. This will open the file selection process so you can choose the document you want to attach. Make sure the file you plan to upload is already saved on your device and is the correct version, especially if it's something your audience will download or reference often. Then browse for your sample PDF, select it, and click Upload. Once the upload finishes, Linktree will attach that file to your new PDF link. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so give it a second if needed. After the upload is complete, your PDF should be added to your Linktree setup and ready for use. It's a good idea to quickly review the item in your admin area to make sure the correct file was uploaded and that everything looks the way you expect. If your PDF is meant for public access, you may also want to test it from your live Linktree page to confirm it opens properly. And that's it. You've successfully added a PDF in Linktree. Thanks for following along, and we hope this made the process clear and easy to complete.